Cute Christina Girl Sunshine here, making a blind bag slash toy opening, and I hope you enjoy it. And let's get on with the video. I'm going to open this thing and this thing right here. I'm going to open, and I'm going to open the Harry Potter anniversary pop keychain, and the last thing I'm going to open is Mermaid Toki Toki Mermaid Series 3. And let's open that Toki Toki Series 3 first. I am going to open this and open the blind bag as well. I'm gonna put it there. Here's the checklist. I hope I get something really good out of this. I got something very good out of this, and it is, I don't know, I'm gonna check the checklist. I got, that one. No, I got that one. And it's so adorable. It's so cute. And it's so, I like it. It's so adorable and so cute. I like the color theme, and I like the sparkles. It's in the cute star on the top. It looks so cute. I'm gonna put that over here, and that over here, and that over here. Next, I'm going to open this Harry Potter mystery. Back to what I was doing, I was going to open the Harry Potter mystery, and I am going to open it. I hope I get something good out of it, and let's open it. I opened it, and I don't know. I hope something good out of it, and I got Harry from Harry, just a regular Harry. I did get the regular Harry. Very good. I got something good out of it, and I will open something else. I will open this, and let's open it. I opened it, and I will open the bag as well. Now it's out of the bag, and it's good. The last thing I'm going to open is this, and I will open it. And I don't like it. I opened it, and I'm gonna get it out. And is, and I will go to his room. I'm going to end the video. See you next blind bag opening. Bye!